In this video, I'll show you how to join a group in Roblox. Now what you want to do is you want to head over to the Roblox website, and from in here you want to log into your account. Once you've done that, you want to click on this drop down right here, and you want to head over to groups. Now from in here you can either search for a group, let's say you have a friend and they tell you the name of it or something, or you can simply look at the ones that's already here. You can click on see all if you want to check more of these, and these are like the groups for role-playing, building, fan, whatever, and you can just click see all. Now once you found the one that you want, let's say I want to join this one, simply click on it, and from in here you want to click on join group. Now this is a public group, so anyone can join. If it's a private group and you click join, someone has to accept you into the group. But since this one is a public one, you can just press join group and you'll be able to join it. Now that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.